Now when you're threading your machine, if your thread stand thread is on the, when you're facing the machine left side, you want to loop it through your tensioner here where your bobbin goes before you start to thread your machine. Okay? And that will hold your thread, your tension right. Now, if you're on your spool stand on the right side, you have to use one of, oh my god, I have an enormous tail on this thing. That's okay. Basically, there's this little bag of little metal rings, okay? And that is your, acts as your tensioner. God, we need to be on that side of it. Come here, where'd you go? There we go. Has to go on that side of it. Ha 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 ha. There we go. That helps to hold tension. Now for my next project, since I am still using the, using the double needle, I'm just using that as my first round of tension, or my first go. Where'd my loop go? There it is. It's right up there. There we go. So now I have my first thread pulls through this loop for tension. This little loop here acts as the tensioner for the second thread.
Basically looks like a little washer.
Basically it looks like a tiny little flat washer. So, and essentially you catch it on your thread so it drops down to here, loop your thread, and then catch it on the other side. So the thread is feeding through the exact same side on both ends. What's holding it in place is the tension of the thread here and here, and this loop here. But there you go. That's how you would, if you're using your spool stand for a double needle, that's how you would thread it. Okay.